Whenever we run a class, that runs the method public static void main string square bracket args. I'll draw a stack frame to keep track of the local variables. And I wrote the method name main here on the side. The first line says duck Daffy gets new duck. So my variable Daffy, that's going to be a variable that can hold a reference. The right-hand side says new duck. That's the constructor for new duck. So that creates a new duck. The equal sign, that's my get, says that Daffy gets a reference to that new duck. The next line says duck Daisy. Again, that's a variable that can hold a reference to a duck. So duck Daisy gets Daffy. What that line does is we look at Daffy, and Daffy is the variable that holds this remote control. So it gets a copy of this variable. So that's a remote control that references my duck here. It gets a copy of that. And now Daisy also references that duck we created on the first line of the method. So now Daffy and Daisy both reference the same new duck we created. The next line says boolean the same. So the type of the variable the same is boolean. And it says boolean the same gets, and then this part's in parentheses, Daffy equal Daisy. So that's saying, is the variable Daffy and the variable Daisy, are they totally equal? Daisy is literally a copy of this remote control. These are the same remote control, just stored in different variables. So Daffy equal Daisy is true, because they're pointing to literally the same duck. So the same is a Boolean variable that we're representing with this switch, and it's true.